welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making Jello cups. These are the ingredients: gelatin, a bowl, and water. In here I have a cup of cold water. Put it into the microwave for 1 minute. So I'll ask my mom for help. Now I'll be pouring this into the bowl. Now we will stir until it's completely dissolved.